Hello and welcome back to Learn with AP Mom. Today I have got for you the new sound A. 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 Remember that this sound is a combination of two vowels joined together to make a sound A. A. You have to join the sound A. 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 A, and we'll make the new sound A. That is a syllable, one syllable. A. A. Now let us read together. Eight, eight. Make, make. Day, day. For example, I had to wait 8 days. I had to wait 8 days. Now let us read it faster. I had to wait 8 days. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you want more videos, please do subscribe to our channel. Bye.